We all want to increase productivity and profitability by making our factories smarter. But if you don't know the scale or cost of a project, it's hard to make the right investment decisions. That's where Mitsubishi Electric's SMKL comes in. SMKL is short for Smart Manufacturing Kaizen Level. It's a framework driven by data that understands what's happening in your factory. It identifies issues, helps to improve them, and supports you maximize your profitability. SMKL evaluates your current situation through 2 access points. The first axis is the maturity level. It is the level of data visibility. Starting with a collection of various production data, we ask if it can be visualized or analyzed. Then, we decide how far it can be optimized. The second axis is the management level, the level of data granularity. We begin with workers and their tasks, and then scale up to the workplace, where products are put together. Then we expand to the entire factory, and eventually the whole supply chain. The main feature of SMKL is that it's built on many small steps. So even if your plant is A1, you don't suddenly have to aim for D4. We'll recommend the right solution to raise your level, one step at a time. Small steps lead to big growth. That's how we make your intelligent manufacturing even smarter. And it all starts with SMKL from Mitsubishi Electric.